What's going on, everyone? Got a 2017 Chevy Volt. Today we're going to replace the remote battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do to replace the remote battery is remove the emergency key out of the bottom of the remote fob. On the left side of the remote, there's this little silver button here that you're going to push, and then you can pull out the emergency key. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to split this case right here. Okay, see how it's split in half? We're going to split it in half. I'm going to use a small flathead screwdriver to do that. And I'm going to stick it in the remote like this, and I'm going to give it a twist. Okay, you can see how it cracks it open. Twisting motion like this. Okay, I'm not poking at it or anything like that. Let me take this off. On the back half of the remote is where the battery goes. And if we notice that it sits with the positive side facing down, okay, get you a new battery and show you what size the battery is. All right, so here's the new battery. The battery size is CR2032. I have a link in the description box. Takes you to Amazon if you like some batteries. They're like $1, so check it out. Again, the positive sign, you can see right here, is facing down. Just put it right in the holder. This clicks right in, and we'll get this guy. All we have to do is start on the top, squeeze it all together, and we're done, okay? If the video was helpful, I'd really appreciate it if you liked and subscribed. You guys take care, be safe, have a great weekend.